After you created or received a signature that was created on your stamp, you will get to the page that looks like this. Please make sure to open this page using either Google Chrome or Firefox browsers. All the rest of the browsers will not allow you to copy the signature correctly. So here we have to choose the email client first, and our option is Outlook. Preview the signature and click Copy and Proceed, which will copy the signature to your clipboard. Open Outlook application on your computer and compose a new email. Then find the Signatures option in the top toolbar and select Signatures again. Create a new signature and give it a name. Right-click the Edit Signature placeholder and choose the Paste option, Keep Source Formatting. Then click OK. Whenever you create a new email, the new signature should pop up automatically. You can also go back to the signature settings and apply the signature to new messages and replies and forwards, and if you have a couple of accounts, you can also select the necessary account here. Sometimes the signature will have only text and will not import the images or formatting. This usually happens because the email client is set to compose emails in a plain text mode. In order to fix that, go to the File option in the top left and choose Options. Then go to the Mail options and make sure to change the Compose Messages and Format option to HTML or rich text. Then click OK, create a new email, and all should be fine. Thank you for your time and enjoy using Neil Stamp.